Duovision, a leading brand in the surveillance industry. Opal is specially designed for home surveillance. Your family's safety can be guaranteed. Wireless connection for hassle-free installation. Opal comes with a semi-spherical mounting that allows camera installation at any angle. With built-in microphone and speaker, you can talk directly into the camera to the person on the other end. Opal's mobile app supports multi-channel layout of up to 6 live views. Simply tap on a specific channel to switch to full screen mode. The calendar-based timeline allows you to search for playbacks faster and easier. In events of network failure, video is recorded to the SD card and later uploaded to the cloud. The battery dock is removable for more optional accessories. PM2.5 sensor is able to monitor the air quality and alert users when needed. Temperature and humidity sensor allows users to be aware of the surrounding environment. Opal supports both AC power and battery mode. Monitoring schedule can be set to ensure surveillance is activated when required. Opal's motion detection can differentiate human figures from other objects to decrease the chance of false alarm. Its IR feature provides even clearer video image during nighttime. By using Opal, home security and safety is guaranteed 24/7.